Very good afternoon. In this video, I am explaining the merging, joining, and concatenating data in pandas. So, by using pandas, we can merge, join, and concatenate the data. Combining multiple data sets is crucial for real-world analysis. So, in real-world analysis, combining of multiple data sets is a complex issue. So, pandas provides efficient methods for concatenation, merging, and joining. For combining the multiple data sets, pandas provides various methods like concatenation, merging, and joining. Here we are discuss one by one. Concatenating data frames. Concatenation stacks data frames vertically or horizontally. So by using concatenation, we can stack the data frames either in vertical manner or horizontally manner. In vertically, we stacks the rows. In horizontally, we stacks the columns. Concatenating data frames by rows. Here we observe the concatenation of data frames by rows by observing one example. Import pandas as PD. First, writing any pandas code, we must import pandas and given alias name as PD, creating two data frames with similar structure. So here we are creating two data frames def1 and def2 with similar structure. That means they have same columns and uh, different values in the column names. First one is df1 equal to pd dot data frame of customer IDs from 1 to 2 and product ID values are from 101 to 102 and sales amount values are from 1000 to 800. In df2, uh, here we are creating df2 data frame, that is pd dot data frame of customer ID 3 comma 4 comma product ID values are 103 and 104, sales amount values are 500 and 300. The creation of data frames are completed. Now we are concatenating those data frames along rows. df underscore concat equal to pd dot concat of df1 comma df2 comma ignore index equal to true. Here we are concatenating the df1 data frame with the df2 data frame. Ignore index equal to true. It is used to concatenate the data frame. Concatenating along rows, that is x is equal to 0. df underscore concat is equal to pd dot concat of df1 comma df2 comma ignore underscore index equal to true. Here we are concatenating the two data frames df1 and df2 uh, using a concat method comma ignore underscore index equal to indicate the data frames are concatenated along row wise. After that, we are printing the concatenation data frame, that is we use print of df underscore concat command to print the concatenated data frames. The result is like this. Concatenating data frames by columns. So in above example, we observe the concatenating data frames by row wise. Here we are observing the concatenation of data frames by columns. df3 equal to pd dot data frame of discount values are 50, 40, 25, 50, 15. Here we are creating df3 data frame using a dictionary. The values in dictionaries are 50, 40, 25, 15 as a key discount. That means we are creating discount column with values. After creating discount column, we are concatenating the discount column with the concatenated data frame. Concatenating along columns. Here we are observing concatenation along column ways. Df underscore concat underscore column equal to pd dot concat of df underscore concat comma df3 comma axis equal to 1. So here we are concatenating the concatenated data frame with the df3 data frame. Print of df underscore concat underscore columns. So this is command used to print the concatenated columns data frame. So the result is add a discount column to the concatenated data frame. Merging data frames. Till now concatenation is completed. Here we are observing the merging data frames. Merging is useful when combining data frames based on common columns. So in merging we want uh, merging, if we combine two data frames on their column wise, we must have a common column between two data frames. It is similar to a SQL joins. Inner merge. Merging data frame. There is a types in data frame. First one is inner merge. Intersection of data. By using inner merge, we got the intersection of data from both data frames. Only matching keys are retained. By using inner merge, we got the only matching keys from two data frames. Df underscore products equal to, that means product, we are creating products data frame, that is equal to pd dot data frame of product id values are from 101 to 103 and product name values are laptop, smartphone, tablet. Here we are creating a data frame to the dictionary. After creating data frame products, we are merging on product ID column. Df underscore merged equal to pd dot merge of df underscore concat comma df underscore product comma products comma on equal to product ID comma how equal to inner join. Here we are merging df underscore concatenate data frame with the products data frame and product id column. Product id is the common column between those between two data frames, and the type of join is inner. Here we are mentioning it in how equal to inner. After that we are printing the merged data frame. Print of df underscore merged. By using this underscore, we are merged the two data frames on the product ID column. By executing this, we got the matched rows of the records in two data frames. Left match. All if we use left match, we got the all records from left data frame and matching records from the right data frame. Df underscore left underscore match is the name given to left match uh, is equal to pd dot match of df underscore concat comma df underscore products comma on equal to product id comma how equal to left. Here we are matching the concat data frame with the products data frame and product id column. The type of matching is left match. We are using left match here. Right match of the same thing, but we change how equal to right to got the right match. Df underscore right match equal to pd dot match of df underscore concat of df underscore concat of df underscore products comma and product id equal and product on equal to product id. It is the common column between two data frames. So how we equal to right indicates the type of match we are using. This is about right match. Here we are go to outer match. in the if we got the outer merge result, we mention how we call to as outer. T is union of both table. Df underscore outer underscore merge equal to pd dot merge of df underscore concat comma df underscore products comma on equal to product id comma how equal to outer. Concat data frame is merged with products data frame and product id column. The type of merge is outer merge. Joining data frame. Joining is similar to merge. Till now, we are learned how to merge the two data frame by using common column and the with different types of merge like inner merge, outer merge, right merge, left merge. Here we are learning about joining data frame. Joining is similar to merging. Joining is also similar to merging, but uses indexes as keys. Joining is like a merging, but uses indexes as keys. In this, we are using indexes as keys to merge to join two data frames. Df underscore sales dot set underscore index of customer ID, comma in place equal to true. Here we are setting the index column uh, to the sales data frame. Here, customer ID is the index column to the sales data frame. That means in customer ID column becomes as a index to the sales data frame, comma in place equal to true. This argument is used to apply the changes directly on the data frame. Df underscore products dot set underscore index of product ID, comma in place equal to true. In products data frame, we are setting the product ID column as index. After setting index, we are joining the two data frames. Df underscore joined equal to df underscore sales dot join of df underscore products, comma on equal to product ID, comma how equal to left. Here we are joining the sales data frame with the products data frame on the product ID column, and the method is left join is used to join the two data frames. Print of df underscore join. After joining two data frames, we are printing those. So by this, we are joining the sales data frame with the products data frame on product ID column using left join method. Handling overlapping columns. If we combine or join two data frames, there is a chance to overlap columns if two data frames have same columns. So to reduce the overlapping columns, we mention the suffixes to the columns. How to we don't know how to mention suffixes. Here we are learn mentioning the suffixes to the columns. When matching, if both data frames have a column with same name, pandas add suffixes. So if two data frames add suffix same column, pandas add suffixes to them to avoid overlapping columns. Here we are creating data frame 1, df1 equal to pd dot data frame of customer ID values are 1, 2 and sales amount columns are 1000 and 800. This is creation of df1 data frame, and df2 equal to pd dot data frame of customer ID values are 1, 2 and sales amounts are 900 and 700. So in two data frames df1 and df2 have customer ID columns. And sales amount column. Both are same in two data frame. df underscore overlap equal to pd dot merge of df1 comma df2 comma on equal to customer id comma suffixes equal to underscore old comma underscore new. Here we are measuring the two data frames on customer id column, and the suffixes to avoid overlapping is underscore old and underscore new. We are adding underscore old to the df1 and underscore new to the df2 data frame column. After that, we want to print of df underscore overlap. This is used to print the overlapping data frame. The values after the output after printing the overlap data frame is customer ID values are 1, 2. Both data frames have 1, 2. And we sales customer ID column is the common column, and both data frames have sales amount column. To avoid confusion, we are added suffix as old and new to two data frames. This is about avoiding overlapping columns using suffixes. Conclusion. Till now, we are learning concatenation, merge, joining, and handling overlapping columns. Concatenation is used to stack data frames either in row wise or columns wise. Merge combines data frames using column keys. If you want to combine two data frame, common column or column key is necessary. Join out method combines data frames using index keys. By using index keys, we added the data frames. Handling overlapping columns with suffixes avoid confusion. So to avoid confusion, we added suffixes to the overlapping columns. This is about merging, concatenation, joining, and handling overlapping columns. I hope this video helps you to know more about concatenation, merging, joining, and handling overlapping columns. Thank you.